Hi, my name is Preeta. I welcome you to the channel where nostalgia meets luxury. Every bite tells a story. For today's video, I've chosen to make a potato gravy. This is a very lovely gravy that I've been making for some time. Simple to make and you will enjoy it. You've not tasted something like this. Stick around until the very end and watch me making it. For this gravy, you're going to need 1 kilo of potatoes. So all the measurements that I've given today are for that kilo of potatoes. I've got my potatoes right here. I'm going to peel them and cut them into 1-inch sized cubes. So let's get that done. And here I have about 800 grams of onions cut in slices, ready to go. Okay, let's get all the spices together. I've got half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 cardamom pods, 1-inch long sized piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and about 3 cloves. Now I've also gone ahead and peeled some ginger and garlic. Take it in equal quantities. You need a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So what do we have here? Well, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, my 3 cardamom pods, next up my cinnamon piece, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and the last one to go is of course our cloves. Make sure you don't go overboard on the cloves, it doesn't taste good at that point. Now we'll allow our first set of ingredients to cook for a little bit. Give it a stir now and then we will add our onion slices. I won't wait for the onions to get soft or translucent. I'm gonna go and add my ginger garlic pieces. Next up is half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Stir them now and then and cook them until they're completely done. Once they're done, we will slide the frying pan over to the side and then we will get on with our roti making part. For those who don't want to try with rotis or with rice, I would recommend trying it with noodles. Yes, noodles. Because of the creaminess aspect of the gravy, I feel it would be a great thing to try it with. Let's add a little bit of salt to our flour, a little bit of oil as well, some water. Let's allow our dough to rest for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're just about ready to check if our mixture has cooled down. It has. Now we go ahead and grind this mixture. Grind it with a little bit of water, little at a time, into a thick paste. Do you see how creamy it is? Let's add about 6 tablespoons of yogurt. The more fat, the better. At this point, when I'm adding the yogurt and I'm going to give it a stir, my stove is not even on. You want to keep the temperature down so that you can mix the yogurt in nicely. After a few minutes, we will add the potato pieces. There are many different types of potatoes. The one I've chosen to make this gravy with is of that kind which will hold a bit firm to prolonged cooking. So I'll have about 25 minutes of cooking easily. This dish serves 5 to 6 people easily. Chances are there that you will have leftovers. And for those who are hesitant about the amount, remember this dish can be enjoyed for multiple days if refrigerated. So here it is. Simple enough, not to overwhelm, but right enough for the king. There you have it. Our lovely potato gravy is ready for us to enjoy with rotis or with rice. I hope you guys will give this dish a try and let me know about it in the comments. I'll see you guys with my next video post. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.